So guys, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Puki, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Today we have a problem on the board on change the subject of formula. You can feel free to pause the video, attempt the question, and come back to this one. Now let's get right into the question. Alright, so the question says we should make Q subject, so I want to solve Q to stand alone. Okay, so Q is going to be on one side and every other variable is going to be on the right hand side. So let's see how we can be able to achieve that step by step. Now for L, I want to write this expression so that it will be easier. So L, I can write as L over 1, which is equals to what? Now for this is 4 times M times this, so I have 4 times M times what? PQ. So this is over 1, this is over 1. So 3 times 1 times 3, all that will give us what? 3. Now from this, they have denominators as 1 and 3. So what I can simply do is what? I can cross what? Multiply. So what I mean by cross multiply, this 3 is going to multiply what? L. And 1 is going to multiply what? All this. Let's see what that gives us. So 3 times L, so I have 3 times L. And 1 times this, so it's 1 times 4 multiply M square root PQ. Okay, so 3 times L is 3L, which is equals to 1 times this is 4M square root what? P multiplied by what? Q. So from that, we can now proceed to see what this gives us. Now I can eliminate what? 4M, okay, so that we have this standing alone. So our next step is we want to eliminate what? 4M. And how do I do that? Okay, I want to divide what? Both sides by what? 4M. Okay, so let's divide both sides by 4M. So this is going to be 3L divided by 4M, which is equals to 4M square root PQ divided by what? 4M. So this can cancel out. This is 1, 1. Okay, so on the right hand side, we are left with what? Square root of PQ. You can interchange it. I can write this first. So square root of what? PQ, which is equals to this. So I have 3L divided by what? 4M. Now at this point, what do we do to remove the square root sign? Whenever you have square root sign, you what? Square both what? Sides. So for we to remove the square root sign, I want to square this side and I also want to square this side. Okay, so let's square both sides and see what that gives us. So squaring this side means I can say square root PQ multiply square root PQ, which is equals, this will be 3L over what? 4M multiplied by 3L over what? 4M. Okay. Now for this part, I can write this as P multiply Q raised to the power of half. Okay, P multiply Q raised to the power of half. We can write this as 3 times what? L times 3 times L divided by what? 4 times M times 4 times what? M. So this multiply this and this multiply this. So for this, we have P, Q. If you apply the law of indices, so these are same bases, the powers can add, so I have half plus half. Okay, and this side we have 3 can multiply 3, which is what? 9. L can multiply L, which is L squared, divided 4 can multiply 4 is 16, and M will multiply M is M what? Squared. Okay, So we all know that half plus half is going to give us what? 1. So we have PQ raised to power what? 1. So PQ raised to power of what? 1, which is equals to 9L squared divided by 16M what? Squared. Alright, so we are now to solve for Q and make Q subjects. Now, this is PQ equals to 9L squared divided by 16M squared. Now, there are two things we can do. I can say multiply both sides by what? 1 over what? P. Okay? Or we'll say divide both sides by what? P. So it's either you do this or you do this. Alright? But to make it easier, I'll prefer to use this one. Okay? So we are going to multiply both sides by 1 over P. So this side I'm going to have multiplied by what? 1 over P. Let's multiply it. So I have times what? 1 over what? P. And I'm also going to do the same here. So this side is also going to be times what? 1 over what? P. So this is over 1. So P can cancel out. P is 1, 1. So I have 1 times 1Q is what? Q. 1 times 1 is 1. So I have Q over 1 here. 9L squared times 1 is also 9L squared. 16M squared times P is going to give us what? So 16M squared P. So the solution to this problem is so that Q is equal to what? 9L squared divided by 16M squared multiplied by P. So this makes Q the subject of the formula to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and watch out for more videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Try and share this video to somebody, maybe of your favor.